All right, number 31. So for this one, so I know I've got to cancel out the positive 8 and the 3, but the question is, which do we do first? All right. The way I'm going to solve this one is I'm going to clear the denominator first. So times the whole equation by 3, or times both sides by 3, basically. So I've got all of this stuff that's being divided by 3, and I'm multiplying it by 3. So on the left-hand side, the 3's just cancel. All right, that one will just cancel with that one. And so that's going to leave me with x plus 8. And then on the right-hand side, I'm just left with negative 15. Okay. Of course, you just subtract 8 from both sides. And you're going to get x equals negative 15 minus 8. That is negative 23. Okay. So on number 32, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to think about the problem a little bit differently. So I know I've got all of that stuff divided by 2. I could rewrite that. This is called splitting the numerator. I could rewrite that as x divided by 2 minus 9 divided by 2 is equal to 1. That's another way that you can think about that expression. All right. Then from here, you could add the 9/2 to both sides, or as usual, we'll just clear the denominator. We'll multiply the whole equation by 2. So the 2 and the 2 will cancel, so I'm just left with x. And then I've got to distribute the 2, the big 2, to the 9/2 as well. That's going to leave me with a 9 because the 2's just cancel. And then I got to do 2 times the 1 as well. Okay. And then plus 9 to both sides to cancel out the 9. And you're left with x is equal to 2 plus 9, which is 11. Cool. All right, number 33. What I'm going to do here is just multiply the equation by 3. So multiply both sides by negative 3. On the right-hand side, you got negative 4 times negative 3, which is positive 12. On the left-hand side, the negative 3 and the division by negative 3, they just cancel. And so you're left with 9 plus x. All right, hopefully here you can just see x is equal to 3. 9 plus 3 gives you 12. Okay, number 34. All right, we're going to multiply by 5 first. So multiply everything by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And then 5 multiplied by the left-hand side is going to cancel with the division by 5. And so we're left with 12 minus x. Okay. Again, this is not super crazy. Just think 12 minus what number will equal 10? 2. That's your answer. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Of course, if you wanted to work it out, you'd minus 12 from both sides. That would leave you with negative x is equal to 10 minus 12, which is negative 2. And then regular x would equal regular 2. Okay. All right, on 35. So what I would do on this one is multiply both sides by 4. That's how you would start it. I'm going to go back. Yeah, I'm going to do it that other way where I kind of split up the numerator. I'm going to rewrite this as 2x over 4 plus 3 over 4 is equal to negative 12. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is multiply the whole equation by 4 to clear the denominator. All right. So on the left-hand side, the 4's will just cancel, and that's going to leave me with a 2x plus 3. On the right-hand side, 4 times negative 12 is negative 48. Okay. Subtract 3. Okay, 3 minus 3 cancels, and you're left with 2x is equal to, what's negative 48 minus 3? It's negative 51. Okay, and then you would divide by 2, and you'd have it. So x is equal to negative 51 over 2, which is like 25.5. All right, I think that's it for this one. Yes.